Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is S.G.M Creations and Tutorials. This is my project for the Valentine's. This is a recycled CD. This is an old CD, look at this. And this is decorated with a ribbon flowers. Look at this. The CD is filled with ribbon flowerets. All you have to do is just cut out a ribbon like this and make a stitching on the side and pull it and form into flowers and fix it in with the CD and attach with pearl lace on the center, and you can decorate on the side with crystals or anything you wanna decorate, because this crystal is from recycled crystal from my shoes. I cut out because it's already damaged and I fix it here to add beauty of my wall decor. This is a 2 pieces of wall decor, look at this, and decorated with flowerets ribbon. The ribbon is a 1/2 inch, and you have to create flowerets and fix it with a hot glue or adhesive glue so that it will stick to the CD, and attach a pearl lace on the center. The pearl is also medium size, and this is how it looks like, and it serves as a wall decor for the Valentine's or for the Christmas, because these colors is for all the season. So I hope you like this project on how to recycle your CD and decorate with the flowerets, and you can have an instant wall decor at home. You can hang this on the wall or in your kitchen. So please watch my live tutorials on how to create different projects so that you will learn how to recycle waste and transform into a unique and beautiful projects. So I wish everyone a happy Valentine's. Thank you for watching, and thank you for all your support for S.G.M Creations and Tutorials. Dankeschön, maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga subscribers and my viewers to my YouTube channel. God bless everyone, and happy Valentine's. This is S.G.M Creations and Tutorials. This is one of my Valentine's project. Old CD, recycled old CD decorated with a flowerets ribbon and attached with a pearls, and decorated also with a used or recycled crystal. And now it looks beautiful already, and it serves as my hanging wall decor for the Valentine's. Thank you for watching, and happy Valentine's.